How to convert Facebook profile to page. So if you want to convert your Facebook profile to a page, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application and just make sure to log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on the profile. Now once you're here on the profile, as you can see that my Facebook profile has been converted to a page, right? So if you want to do the same, then what you can do is just go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon, and here you will have an option of turn on professional mode. So we'll tap on turn on professional mode, and again tap on turn on, and your professional mode has been turned on. Now go with get started, which is on the bottom, and then here you can see that you'll be able to see insights about your post. You will have the monetization option and every other things. So you can also go with insights, content, growth, and everything. So if you go back and reload your page, then you will have your professional dashboard, which means you have your professional page. So that's how you can convert your Facebook profile to a page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.